Hey, it's Donovan from the clan. So an issue that our hardware guys have brought up, and brought up by other people as well, is that a lot of these tracks down here, um, they're really low, which kind of sucks. And then also because we're constantly sweeping this area, we end up pushing dust into these boxes, which can be a problem for the tracks. So we are going to make a few changes and see if we can improve our current situation. Hey, welcome back to assembly for the second part of our 2-second lean video here. So earlier I mentioned that our tracks are all the way on the floor, and when you'd sweep, you'd get a whole bunch of dust up inside the track and track boxes. So what we did was we took the cabinets that we already had, we took the countertop off, and we flipped the cabinets because they did have already this fixed floor here. But yeah, it was at the top. So we flipped it, so now there is a raised bottom floor kind of thing. So a lot less dust is swept into them when we sweep. We did actually add one more as well, which allowed us to move our heavy duties, which were all the way at the bottom over here originally, and we moved them up to a reasonable level. So this is really useful because the 550 heavy duties are a fairly common track, and we ended up bending down a lot when they were down there to get tracks. So this is a ergonomic, which is really awesome. And Jared also had an idea that new labels. So we've got a lot bigger labels, a lot easier to read, arrows pointing to what they are, and we installed some wooden strips so we could have the labels for our 500s and our 450 heavy duties. Yeah, now everything's nicely labeled and off the ground.